Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change storage location or storage path on Telegram from internal storage to SD card. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. And then we're going to tap on this three lines button on the top left corner of our screen. Then tap on the settings option, and on the settings option, we have to select the data and storage. Okay, then if we want to change the storage path or storage location, we can click on the storage path option. Then since we want to change from the internal storage to SD card, we can click on SD card. Then click on proceed. Okay, and now the storage location has been changed, and now the Telegram will use your SD card for storage. Alright guys, and that's how we can change storage location on Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.